In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Excel files in Google Drive efficiently and effortlessly. Editing Excel spreadsheets with Google Drive is a handy skill, especially if you need to collaborate with others or access your files from different devices. Let's dive into the simple yet effective process to ensure you can manage your Excel documents with ease. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Drive website. If you're not already signed in, enter your Google account credentials to access your Drive. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Google Drive interface, which is your personal storage space for all your files. Next, locate the Excel file you wish to edit. If it's already uploaded to your Drive, you can find it by simply browsing through your folders or using the search bar at the top to quickly pinpoint the file. In case the file isn't yet uploaded, don't worry. You can easily upload it by clicking on the plus new button, usually found in the upper left corner of the interface. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload and choose the Excel file from your computer. Uploading may take a few moments depending on the file size and your internet speed. Once your Excel file is in Google Drive, the next step is to convert it to a Google Sheet. This conversion is necessary for editing since Google Sheets allows you to manipulate the spreadsheet data directly. To do this, right-click on the Excel file, hover over the Open With option, and choose Google Sheets from the submenu. The file will open in a new tab within Google Sheets, and you should see the familiar spreadsheet layout. As you begin editing, you have access to a wide range of tools and functions similar to those in Excel. You can add and delete data, create formulas, and format the cells as needed. One great feature of Google Sheets is its real-time collaboration capability, allowing multiple people to work on the document simultaneously. You can share the file with others by clicking on the Share button in the upper right corner, entering their email addresses, and giving them editing permissions. Remember, while working in Google Sheets, your work is automatically saved every few seconds, so there's no need to worry about losing any important changes. If you ever need to download the file back to Excel format for offline use, you can do so by navigating to File, then selecting Download, and opting for the Microsoft Excel format. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit Excel files in Google Drive using Google Sheets. Practicing these steps will help you become more proficient in managing your spreadsheet files online, enhancing both your productivity and collaboration with others. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.